Hello techies. In the previous tutorial, we have learned how to convert a text to datetime format by using convert text to datetime action. Alright, now in this tutorial, we will learn how to convert datetime to text format by using convert datetime to text action. Let me show you a small example over here. If you see on my screen, I'm having an Excel sheet with the column of date of joining. But this date of joining column is represented in such a way as text format. Now, I want to insert a record over here in the text format, which is in the date time. All right. Now, how can I go ahead and do that by using Power Automate? Over here, first of all, let me drag and drop convert date time to text action onto the workspace. Now, if you see over here, date time to convert. What is the date time that I need to convert to text format? Okay, this is the value which we are going to give date time. Now, what I will do, I will give the date time over here in such a way 05/20/1988. This is the date I'm going to give it. If you see over here, first is DD, and YYY format. I'm going to give the format to use. Over here, you are having two formats over here. First one is standard, another one is custom. So this is the normal standard format which we have given. All right. And if you see over here, standard format again, we're having standard date, long date, short time, long time, full date and time. You can see short time you will get it, and different formats do you have. All right. I'm not going to talk about all these things right away. We'll learn one by one right now in the same session. All right. Now, whatever the date I'm going to convert into the text, it will be stored in the formatted date and time flow variable. All right. Click on save. Now, to write the formatted date time in the Excel, what I will do, I will use write to Excel worksheet. Let me drag and drop this write to Excel worksheet onto the workspace. Now, what is the value to write? I'm going to select formatted date and time over here. And after that, if you see on specified cell, if you see in the Excel, what we have to do, we have to write in B column and third row. I'm going to mention the same thing over here, B, and the row is 3. All right, let's click on save. Now, once the data has returned successfully to the worksheet, what we have to do, we have to close the Excel. Let me drag and drop close Excel onto the workspace. Now, if you see the parameter before closing an Excel, I want to save the document or not. I want to save the document with the Excel instance has been opened. All right, let me click on save. Now, to know the status of the flow, I will use display message over here. I will give the title as flow, and after that, I will give display message as flow executed. All right, let's click on save. Now, let's run the flow to see the output. Flow execution started. And if you see on the right hand side, the formatted date, you can see 5/20/1988. And after that, the flow has been executed successfully. Now, let me open the Excel to see the output. If you see right now in the B3 column, what happened, we have given 5/20, in the 5th month, 20th day, and 1988. So now, because of that, we have converted the date into the text format, and the text has been returned successfully in the column of B, that is which is there in the text format. All right. Now we learn how to format, that is custom format date and time by using convert date time to text. All right. Let me double click on the convert date time to text action. Over here, if you see, I'm having date time format in such a way, DD, YYY is the format. Now I want to make that convert into the custom format. How can I go ahead and do that? Over here, you can find format to use. Now, if you go for there, I'm having another option, custom, select that. Now over here, which date format you want. Now over here, let's assume I want date first, and after that, next month, that is DD/MM/YYY. If you see the custom format over here, I'm having DD/MM/YYY in the format. Let's click on save. Now, to make you understand what I will do, I will write the Excel worksheet in the another row. Let me double click on that. I will go for the row 4. Let me click on save and let's run the flow to see the output for the custom format. Flow execution started and you can see flow has been executed successfully. Now let me open the Excel. Now if you observe in the B4 cell, we are having the format which we have given. That is first DD, MM and the YYY with the date has been converted into the text and then it has been returned successfully into the Excel. Alright. Now I will show you one more thing, that is short date and time, which is the standard format. Let me double click on the action. Over here, what we'll do, we'll select the format as standard. And after that, I will select some other standard format over here. If you see over here, I'm having full date and time. Let me select that. Then what will happen, along with the date which we have in the standard format, we'll get short time which will be included over there. All right. Let me click on save. To make you understand, I will change the row over here as 5. Now let's run the flow to see the output. Flow has been executed successfully. If you see the output in the Excel, what happened? This is the full date and time that you got it, which day it is, and after that you got the date, and after the short time you can see over here 12 a.m. that you got the entire full date and time along with the short time. All right. In the same way, if you want to work with different standard formats, you can go ahead and you can work on the different kind of things like full date and time, that is which will come as long date and time. It will be in a such a way, hours, minutes, seconds also you will get it. And also you can see general date and time, general time, sortable date and time. You can work on the different standard formats over here as part of the convert date and time to text action. I hope you understand how to work with convert date time to text action as part of this tutorial. Thank you for watching Power Automate tutorials. If you have any queries related to this concept, please post them in the comment section. I will see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye. Have a wonderful day.